Hello there, fellow makers and creators. Are you trying to get into the CNC world but don't know where to start? Maker Store is excited to announce our first ever CNC Saturday, a workshop where you will learn the basics of CNC machining and answer any questions you might have about getting started in the CNC world. This is a great way to gain valuable CAD, CAM, and CNC skills, as well as meet fellow makers in the local community. As this is a highly requested course, spaces will be limited. Sign up early for your best chance to reserve a spot. Act now so you don't miss out.